Remember the Samsung Galaxy A7 series? For a lot of us, that phone was the perfect middle child. Big screen, big battery, and just enough power to make you wonder why anyone drops $1,000 on a flagship. It was the phone that hit the sweet spot. Samsung killed the A7 series 3 years back. Why? Well, it was basically stepping on the toes of the S and Fan Edition lineups. The A73 was just doing too much for too little cash. And Samsung, being a business, wasn't having it. It was too good for its own good. But guess what? The legend might be rising from the ashes. A mysterious Samsung device just popped up on Geekbench. And the rumored specs, they are spicy. We're talking about a brand new 10-core Exynos chip. This isn't just any chip. It's got 6 high-performance cores, 4 efficiency cores, and an AMD RDNA-based XL940 GPU. If that sounds familiar, it's because it's basically a slightly chilled version of the Exynos 2400. The very same DNA you find inside the Galaxy S24 and the upcoming S24 FE. The early benchmarks are already giving off major flagship killer energy. This thing is fast. The device was tested running Android 16 with 8GB of RAM. And the leaks are pointing to a launch in the first half of next year, probably alongside the A33 and A57. Now, speaking of the A57, that phone is rumored to be packing Bluetooth 6.1 and 45-watt fast charging. So, you can fully expect the A77 to at least match that, or more likely, flex even harder with better features. So yeah, it seems the A-series powerhouse is set to make a comeback, and this time, it's got a flagship heart beating inside it. The return of the king, maybe? But this raises a big question. With an underclocked Exynos 2400 powering the A77, is the Fan Edition lineup done for? Is this the new FE? Or are you still holding out for a Snapdragon chip, riding with Team Snapdragon all the way? I want to know what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you vibe with this kind of tech news, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.